public-private partnership created with Healthcare Resources, which is affiliated with Corporate Realty. This will drive the success of the major venture and be a catalyst for economic growth for the entire area. The new energy and effort in River Chase will create over 1,000 new jobs and will bring an estimated $2.5 billion into the economy for Jefferson and Shelby counties and the surrounding areas. The development allows Hoover to maintain the presence of our significant corporate partner in Regions Bank, while repurposing traditional office buildings that were built in the 1970s and bringing them into the modern era. On the recommendation of the Healthcare Authority, last evening my peers on the City Council and I voted to establish a 935-acre healthcare district in the River Chase area of Hoover, solidifying our commitment to improving quality of life, not only for the residents of our great city, but also filling a need for the people in surrounding areas who will benefit greatly by having a local destination for timely access to quality medical diagnostics and procedures in the future. The forward-thinking leadership provided by Mayor Bricado, the council, and the Hoover Healthcare Authority will result in state-of-the-art facilities. As the mayor mentioned, the future of medicine lies in access to the type of facilities we hope the Alabama State Certificate of Need Board will allow us to create. And I would like to turn this over to the chairman of our Hoover Healthcare Authority, Mr. Alan Paquette.
Good afternoon, everyone. As chairman of the Hoover Healthcare Authority, I'm excited about the future of health and wellness in Hoover. The Healthcare Authority applauds the mayor and city council for seeing the benefit of creating the River Chase Health and Wellness District and supporting our efforts in bringing first-class healthcare to our great city. I also want to thank the River Chase Residential Association, the River Chase Business Association, as well as the Economic Development Team for the City of Hoover. I see them sitting in here, Mindy Wyatt and Greg Knighton. Thank you all so much for their support of this project and for coming together to move the vision of first-class healthcare in Hoover closer to becoming a reality. The Hoover Healthcare Authority has worked tirelessly for nearly a year with how to accomplish our goals of bringing an ambulatory surgery center and a diagnostics center to Hoover and to create the Health and Wellness District. We are singularly focused on the health and wellness of our citizens of Hoover and the surrounding communities. No particular operators have been identified. It is the intent of the Healthcare Authority to open this up for best-in-class providers to come to the Health and Wellness District. The next step for the Healthcare Authority will be the filing of the letter of intent with the State Health Planning Agency. In fact, that has already been done today. This will be followed up by the filing of our application for the Certificate of Need. Lastly, I'd like to thank the team that made all of this happen. My fellow board members, Charlie Faulkner. Charlie has a long history and decades of work as an administrator in the healthcare industry. Mr. Don Irwin, economic development expert, in my opinion, best known to his friends and colleagues as one of the people that helped bring Mercedes-Benz to Alabama. Our city attorney, Philip Corley, who walked with us hand in hand on this process, and certainly our city council liaison, Christy Driver. I was just commenting to her a minute ago that her presence in the room really helped move the dial. And finally, our attorney, Colin Luke, with the law firm of Holland and Knight. Mr. Luke is helping us steer this through the CON process, and every step of this, he has been invaluable to each and every one of us. Thank you, and have a happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Colin Luke, as you just heard from Mr. Paquette, we're excited to be part of this process. I think it's going to be transformative for the city of Hoover and all its citizens. It's different from any other project that's been done in the state. In fact, we studied a number of communities across the country and what a healthcare district could do, what a project like this could do to take a wonderful access focused facility that has beautiful parks, beautiful grounds, that's conducive to wellness, and turn it into local state-of-the-art healthcare. It will have the latest and greatest technology. It will be focused on care that can be delivered cost-effectively, significantly more cost-effectively than other settings, and getting people home more quickly with the right outcomes and attention to infection control, attention to what the citizens want. The Healthcare Authority studied the needs of the citizens of Hoover and what is it that they lack, what is it that they want, and what is it that's going to make this city the best for the future and best for its citizens. And this really is a product of all of that. It's providential that this campus became available during the same time we were searching for a healthcare facility. It is tailor-made for what we're talking about. If you had to design from scratch, this would be the perfect location for a healthcare campus with a focus on wellness. We're going to ask the CON board to take a close look at this project to understand how innovative it is, to understand how important it is to the city of Hoover. And we're confident in their great wisdom with the support of the governor that we will get positive consideration. We began the process today, as you heard, by filing a letter of intent, and we'll expect to file the application in early January. I think we're going to have a press event on site in conjunction with that. And we think we'll look back at this day and what the council was able to do last night and say this made a tremendous difference for the city of Hoover and its focus in the future on healthcare providers coming to Hoover, healthcare research, and the type of businesses that will only make this community better. So I'm proud to be a part of it. It's a great day for Hoover and for the greater community that we all live in. So thank you for your attention. We need your support in this journey and look forward to answering questions at a later time and really getting you excited about the potential for the project. Thank you.
I want to say thank you to all of our speakers this afternoon. Again, our intent today was really to share this exciting first step that we have taken in terms of filing that letter of intent today, saying that we plan to move forward. We're excited about moving forward. With that, we are going to call an official end to our news conference. If you would like to speak with any of our speakers one-on-one, they are available to do so. We would ask that you would come down front and actually do the interviews here in front of one of the renderings, if you will. Also, feel free to get shots of the renderings. Also, if you would like a hard copy of the rendering to take with you, we have that along with the press release. And if you prefer a digital copy of the renderings or a digital copy of the press release, we can get that to you as well. With that, we will call an end to things. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you.